Most people believe money problems come from low income or bad luck, but that's not the full truth. The real difference between staying broke and building wealth comes down to one thing: money moves. Small decisions, repeated every day, shape your financial future. Today, we're breaking down 5 money moves that poor people almost never make, and why these moves quietly decide who moves ahead in life and who stays stuck. The first money move is paying yourself first. Most people spend their income on bills, lifestyle, and wants, then hope something is left to save. Usually, nothing is. Smart money moves flip this order. The moment money comes in, a portion is saved or invested before anything else. This simple habit builds financial security without needing a high salary. The second money move is investing early, even with small amounts. Poor financial habits wait for the perfect time or more money to start investing. That time rarely comes. Smart money moves focus on starting early because time is more powerful than money. Small investments grow through compounding, while waiting keeps people stuck. The third money move is controlling lifestyle inflation. When income increases, many people immediately increase their spending. Better money moves keep lifestyle growth slower than income growth. This gap creates extra money that can be used to invest, save, or eliminate debt instead of disappearing into expenses. The fourth money move is building skills instead of chasing quick money. Poor money thinking looks for shortcuts, fast profits, and risky opportunities. Smart money moves focus on learning valuable skills that increase earning power over time. Skills create long-term income, while shortcuts usually fail. The fifth and most important money move is thinking long-term. Poor decisions focus on today's comfort. Strong money moves focus on future freedom. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built by consistent decisions made with patience and discipline. These money moves don't require luck, connections, or a high income. They require awareness and action. Anyone can start making better money moves today. If you want your financial life to change, don't focus only on how much you earn, focus on the money moves you make every single day.